Welcome back to Bull and Bear. We are recapping the market from November 3rd through November 7th, 2025. Starting with SPY. By no means a crash, but definitely a pullback or a pause, as we saw in the week, 1.63% down. Talking about Triple Q, a little bit more, also bounced off of the 50-day, down 3% for the week, however. So Friday, definitely a lot of kind of really big bounce back and ending with strength to close out the week. Moving on to NVIDIA.
NVIDIA is down 7% for the week and had an ugly day on Friday. Started out ugly, but then it came back very strong, just quite a few other stocks which all undercut the 50-day and came back into a reasonable level. It'll be interesting to see what happens next week. Moving on to Tesla. Tesla, you've heard about the big package deal that Elon Musk got. They're down 6% for the week and down 3.6% on Friday. He got a $1 trillion package, but he's got to make Tesla into an $8 trillion company. It's going to be a miracle if he could do it. And all the shareholders voted to approve his big package deal if he achieves all his goals. Moving on to Palantir. Palantir was a leader, and you can see it had a very strong day on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday started off looking really bad and undercut the 50-day. And then on Friday, it started off really low and then came back across the 50-day. It's in danger zone, but it's still safe for right now. And then the last one that I'm going to talk about is SanDisk. This is the leader in the industry. SanDisk is up 20% for the week, 15% on Friday. Looks like it's getting a little bit of toppy, so this definitely not something that you want to buy right here. A lot of people on Twitter, X.com are talking about shorting this stock because it's accelerated so much in the past few days and few months, to be honest.
Moving on to Expedia. Expedia had a massive week, up 17.39%. Very, very strong Q3 earnings results, which kind of resulted in this stock benefiting from that and now kind of essentially reaching the point where this has been priced in. So we would expect to see some kind of flat trades, maybe a bit of pullback on the stock in the week. Definitely not a buy here, but a stock that is performing very, very well.
Recap, sounds like the politicians are getting an agreement to potentially open up the government again. And if that happens, we're expecting a huge pop in the market. But take it day by day and see what happens. You never know. Those guys can change their minds on a dime.
100%. Longest government shutdown in history. As always, be safe out there. Every day is the opportunity of a lifetime. Don't waste it. We'll catch you next week.